All right, we are back with another review, and we're taking a look at something that actually solves a pretty big problem in our camp kitchen. This is the OWKAR Portable Handheld Vacuum Sealer. Comes with 32 reusable vacuum bags for free, and it claims to give us the same airtight seal like a countertop sealer. And honestly, it's literally pocket-sized and is super affordable for what it brings to the table. We're going to see if it's worth carrying on your trips. We'll put the updated price and purchase link down in the description below for your convenience. Subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into it. The first thing you notice when you pull this out of the box is just how small and lightweight the device actually is. It feels solid in the hand, not like some cheap, fragile plastic toy, but it's compact enough. We also see a mini digital display right here. It also has this smart little removable water container so that any moisture that gets sucked up. We also see this USB-C port for charging, which is the standard these days. Now let's try this and see how good it works. We don't think you have to be a tech genius to figure this thing out. This looks very simple. We're just tossing some snacks into one of the reusable bags, zipping it tight and lining up the sealer's nozzle right over the valve. Watch this. We press the button once and you can immediately hear that pump kick in. It usually takes somewhere between 5 to 10 seconds to pull a full vacuum, and the best part is that it actually stops on its own the second the air is gone. We think those of us who are usually multitasking in the kitchen or trying to prep dinner around a campfire, that set it and forget it is a plus. We really have to talk about the value here because this is where we think OWKAR actually stands out. Most vacuum sealers either give you 0 bags or maybe 2 or 3 just to test the unit, but this one literally comes with 32 reusable bags in a few different sizes right out of the box. That's a massive amount of value, guys. The bags themselves are BPA-free and honestly feel pretty heavy-duty. They're washable, safe for the freezer, and microwave-friendly. Being able to reuse these dozens of times isn't just great for the environment, it saves us a ton of money in the long run compared to those single-use plastic rolls. We're washing ours and putting them right back into rotation, and they're holding their seal perfectly every time. Now, you've probably seen those viral videos where people vacuum seal an empty soda can just to show off the suction power, and we're trying it ourselves right now. We're tossing this empty soda can into one of the bags and hitting the button. Look at that. It's absolutely crushing the can. But the more impressive part isn't just the strength, it's the bag itself. When you crush a can, you know those edges get razor sharp, but this bag isn't even flinching. No punctures, no leaks, nothing. If they can handle sharp aluminum edges, they aren't going to have any trouble with frozen steaks or crunchy snacks. In our opinion, the OWKAR Portable Handheld Vacuum Sealer is a bit of a hidden gem. We think it's a good addition for people who love organized camp kitchens. It's even suitable for the everyday cook, sous vide, the meal prepper, and the camper who wants to keep their food tasting fresh for days longer. For around $40, you're getting the device, the charging cable, and a small mountain of reusable bags. It cuts down on food waste, prevents freezer burn, and honestly makes the whole kitchen experience feel a bit more organized. If you're looking for a simple, budget-friendly, and practical solution for your food storage, I think this is a really smart choice. It gets the job done without the bulk and the high price tag. So that's the breakdown on the OWKAR Handheld Sealer. It's small, it's strong, and it's definitely earned a permanent spot in our gear bag. We'll put the links to the sealer and the extra bag kits down in the description. If you've used a handheld sealer before and have tips on how to keep the valves clean, let us know in the comments. We're always looking for better ways to do things. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more kitchen tech and outdoor gear reviews. Other than that, we hope you all have a nice day. Peace.